Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Casey. I share outfit ideas, styling tips, and pieces that have worked for me, especially as someone petite who values comfort, ease, and feeling good in what I wear. When we hear Scandinavian fashion, we usually think of beige coats, white shirts, black trousers, clean sneakers, and very minimal outfits. And yes, that is part of it. But Scandinavian style is not only about dressing in neutrals or looking minimal. It is really about comfort, practicality, ease, and making simple outfits feel intentional. That is what makes it so wearable. It does not look like fashion that is trying too hard. It looks relaxed, but still put together. You can wear it to work, while traveling, while running errands, or even just for coffee, and still feel like you made an effort without overdoing it. At its core, Scandinavian style is built around simplicity, function, and ease. It comes from a place where clothes need to work for real life. The weather changes, layering matters, comfort matters, and outfits need to be practical, not just pretty. That is why you often see oversized coats, relaxed trousers, knits, button-down shirts, denim, sneakers, flat shoes, scarves, and wearable bags. The pieces are usually not complicated, but the styling makes them interesting. A simple Scandinavian-inspired outfit could be a white shirt, loose jeans, a sweater over the shoulders, and comfortable flats. Nothing about that is dramatic, but the proportions, layers, and ease make it look styled. The first version of this style is the clean, minimal version most people already know. This is where you see a lot of black, white, gray, navy, denim, cream, and beige. The outfits are simple, but they are not boring because the focus is on shape, fabric, and fit. A basic sweater looks better when it has texture. A pair of trousers looks more expensive when the cut falls nicely. A plain coat feels more intentional when it has structure. This side of style is great if you like a calm wardrobe. It also makes getting dressed easier because the colors usually mix well together. A black coat, cream knit, blue jeans, and sneakers can already look polished when the proportions feel right. But minimal does not have to mean plain. In such style, the interest often comes from small details. A chunky scarf, a soft leather bag, a slightly oversized shirt, a textured knit, or relaxed trousers. It is simple, but it still has personality. The other side of this style is the more playful Copenhagen street style version. This is where the outfits become more colorful, creative, and fun. You still see comfort and practicality, but now there are bright scarves, printed dresses, colorful bags, sporty shoes, layered socks, interesting jackets, and unexpected combinations. This is the part that proves Scandinavian style is not just beige and black. Someone might wear a romantic dress with sneakers, a colorful knit with loose trousers, or a simple coat with a bright bag. The outfit feels expressive but still casual, and I think that is why it works. It does not look too perfect. It still feels lived in, like the person got dressed for their actual day, not just for a photo. One of the easiest ways to copy this style is to start with a simple base and add one interesting detail. You can wear jeans and a white shirt, then add a colorful scarf. You can wear black trousers and a sweater, then add ballet flats with socks. You can wear a neutral outfit, then add a red bag. You can wear a simple dress, then style it with sneakers and a casual jacket. The outfit does not need 5 statement pieces. Usually one detail is enough. I like this because a lot of us either go too basic or too overdone. This style sits somewhere in the middle. It lets the outfit feel practical, but still gives it something memorable. That detail can be color, texture, shape, accessories, or the way you layer something. It does not have to be loud. It just has to make the outfit feel a little more like you. Another thing I love about this style is that comfort is not treated like an afterthought. It is part of the aesthetic. The shoes are usually walkable, the clothes have movement, the layers feel useful. Even when the outfit is stylish, it does not look too restrictive or fussy. And personally, I really appreciate that because I still want clothes that I can move in. I love feeling put together, but I do not want to spend the whole day adjusting my outfit. Scandinavian style proves that comfort can still look intentional. A loose shirt can look chic. Sneakers can look polished. A big coat can look refined. A simple knit can look elevated when it is styled well. One big part of Scandinavian style is oversized clothing. Oversized coats, wide-leg trousers, loose shirts, big knits, and relaxed jackets are all common in this aesthetic. But if you are petite, oversized pieces can feel tricky because they can overwhelm your frame. The answer is not to avoid them completely. It is to balance them. If you are wearing an oversized shirt, pair it with something cleaner at the bottom, like slimmer trousers, a shorter skirt, or simple shoes. If you are wearing wide-leg pants, keep the top more fitted or slightly tucked. If you are wearing a big coat, keep the base outfit underneath simple. You can also show small areas like the wrist, ankle, neckline, or waist. Even a little bit of shape can make the outfit feel lighter. So instead of thinking, I cannot wear oversized clothes because I am petite, think, where do I want the volume? And where do I want the outfit to feel cleaner? If you want to try Scandinavian style, start with pieces you may already own. Try a white button-down shirt with relaxed jeans, a knit over the shoulders, and flat shoes. It feels simple, but styled. Try a striped sweater with black trousers and sneakers. It is classic, easy, and wearable. Try a slip skirt with an oversized knit and ballet flats. This gives that mix of feminine and relaxed. For a more colorful version, wear a basic top and jeans, then add a bright cardigan, colorful scarf, or fun bag. And for a more polished version, try a blazer with loose trousers, a plain top, and simple shoes. It looks dressed up but not too formal. So to me, Scandinavian style is not just about minimalism. It is about dressing in a way that feels practical, comfortable, and effortless, while still looking intentional. You can take the clean version if you love neutrals, or the Copenhagen version if you want more color and personality. Either way, the idea is the same. Start with wearable pieces, keep the outfit relaxed, and add one detail that makes it feel styled. You do not need a completely new wardrobe to try it. You can start with what you already have. Let me know in the comments which side of Scandinavian style you prefer, the clean minimalist version or the more colorful Copenhagen version. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay around for more fashion and styling conversations here on our channel. Thank you, and see you in our next video.